Hi everyone, let's begin our new video. It's your day to learn something new. The more you learn, the more you get. Play. Play. Good job. Play with today. Gulpy wants to play with toys today. Gulpy wants to play with toys today. W-I-N. Win. Well done. Very win. Crunchy ran very fast, so he could win the race. F-I-S-H. Fish. Outstanding. Fish. Lake. Perfect. Crunchy likes to fish in the Monster Village lake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. B-U-Y. Buy. Perfect. Buy. The monster wants to buy some cookies. Fantastic! You are learning so perfect. C-H-E-C-K. Check. Nice. Check. Like. Good job. Dr. Monster has to check Crunchy. Looks like Crunchy is not well. Nice. R-E-A-D. Read. Fantastic. Read. Munchie is trying to read a book. Super. A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Arrange. Good job. Like. Arrange. Perfect. The monster likes to arrange the books and toys. Perfect.